Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you how to upload your pictures to individual points, and so they don't kind of upload one photo and it goes to every single point, which isn't correct. So a couple of things. First, you need to upload your images to either ArcGIS Online or to Flickr or to Picasa, something where you can be hosted online. The next thing you want to do, and so here's this example in ArcGIS Online. You can see it's an image and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to click on Details, and what you probably want to do is here's just URL, and so we need to copy each URL for each picture. So what might be easiest is to open up a Word document and paste all these URLs that you're going to use into a Word document, and that way you can kind of know which URL goes with point, and then you can kind of go back and forth with your Word document as opposed to in ArcGIS Online. So once we've copied that, then we're just going to go back to our groups, and we'll go to our GPS class. And the next kind of important thing is this little backtracking. To do this editing, you need to be in a feature layer. So notice it has this icon here and it says feature layer. What it is not is it's not a web map that looks like this. So it all has to be done in your feature layer. So I'm just going to go here, I'm going to manage my items, and I'm going to go find my, so here's this. So notice how it says feature layer. It's not a web map. It has this icon. So I'm just going to open that. And the first thing we got to do is it opens here. We'll notice, let me do this here real quick. Don't watch. So you're going to open up yours, and what you're going to notice is it says editing disabled. We need to enable this editing so we can add our photos. So if you click edit, scroll down here and say enable editing and say save. And now you'll notice here now it says we can now edit this. So once we've done that, we can click on our map, open up our map. There's a bunch of these things. I just got to remove them. So I'm only working on one. And move. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go and configure. You notice also too it says this says disable editing. This would not say disable editing if your layer was not able to edit. But what we want to do is we want to go to configure pop-up, and we want to click add, and we want to add an image. And so you can give your image a title, trees, and in the URL we want to choose, so you can have several pictures in here. So I'll just pick picture one, say OK, and then I can say save pop-up. And then now you notice we go here and comments say trees, but you'll notice something different here. We now have this little edit button, which is nice. So if we go in here, we can click on this edit button, and in picture one we can kind of put Control V, and that'll post our picture. So we say close. We can close this. So what we first have is we have more info, and we have our tree. Notice we don't have anything here. What we can do, so let's do the same thing here with the same picture. We can go and we can edit this. We can put our picture, close, and there's our tree again. So here's our trees popping up. We have the more info and so forth, and notice we don't have that was one I probably already have done earlier. So here again we don't, so just hit your edit. If I had a different tree URL I could put it in there, but since I don't close, stop that. and I can click on here, and there it is. So that is how you upload individual trees or individual images to different points. So once you do that, you're going to have to save this again, and then you're going to have to add this to your map and so forth. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to seeing your presentations.